This is a 10 by 20 Dalton. These sell brand new on the website of the builder for about $72.9. This one's going to be a lot less. It is less than a year old. It is already sitting on a beautiful lot with beautiful scenery in a little tiny home community in Newport. I think it's officially called Bybee, B-Y-B-E-E, where Miss Lola has some houses. The skirting, of course, was an investment for her to have that done, and she did say that she has all her pipes electrical taped, so no problems with any of the freezing. You know, we don't get terribly cold winters in Tennessee, but she's taken all the precautions. This was built by the Amish. So beautiful work. Look at that. So nice. So when you back up to just woods back there, so peaceful out here, and it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. So look, there's your double dormers with blue skirting. When we go inside, you'll see that there's a lot of navy inside. It's such a great calming color. So pretty. Lots of personality on this one. I really like it. She added this part on so she could have some seating. Once again, with the navy blue. Looks like she has an umbrella. Again, all her decor, like her furniture, is going to stay. And it's basically a lot of navy. Let's go up. These are stained. Looks like she has the solar lights for the steps. And let's go in and see this beautiful Dalton. Okay, let's go in. Everything that's in here stays, except for her personal pictures, artwork, that kind of thing. Beautiful little sets a recliner that actually glides, and it's so cozy. I've been sitting in it, and it really is a great little recliner for the small space. The owner told me that the sofa is going to make into a bed, a full-size bed. Beautiful rug on the floor. She does have a couple of adorable Yorkies. I'm standing in the kitchen doorway. This is what you see from the doorway of the kitchen. I love the gable roof. You know, lots of personality with the gable roof and the double dormer. Lots of charm on the outside, and then on the inside you get the beautiful high ceiling with the ceiling fan. Let's see, that looks like a Mr. Cool for our mini split. That actually does come with a remote, and it is a 9 BTU, and it will heat and cool this small space with no problem. There is also an air exchanger. The drapes will stay. They are a navy blue. They're almost like I'm going to say like a microfiber, micro cloth. Very pretty. All the walls have been pre-painted with the shiplap. They installed the shiplap. This was Amish built, so they installed the white shiplap on the walls, which makes for a great backdrop for all your things. Look how pretty that navy is. I'm going to stand over here at the steps. Yeah, so let me do the floor. This floor, it does give you plenty of room to maneuver. The worst thing in a tiny home is not being able to get around or tripping on things. So that brownish gray, the vinyl, that is so good for spills and that kind of thing. So this piece will also stay. Tons of storage in it. Those each pull out. put your keys, you know, anything. I like that, and it's very thin, so it doesn't stand out in the, get the end of it here. Yeah, it doesn't go out from the wall very far. The Roku TV, she said will stay, and it has been, actually, yep, she already has it mounted, so that would stay. The little side table stays. And there looks like there's a table over there as well. See if I can get in there and get that one. Yeah. All right, let's go into the kitchen. Okay, this is like a galley kitchen. Of course, we all know that it will have a barn door. Beautiful barn door for the bathroom. We have, now this is a tiny kitchen, so let me try to get a good angle for you guys. Okay, so these are matrix cabinets. There are soft close. There is a, looks like they've done it vertically. It's a Carinier cooktop that sets down in the countertop. Looks like it does have a bit of a finish on it, so that's good. Just when you have a countertop around the water, make sure that you do seal it up with something. Microwave stays. And that is a Emerald Lagasse. Emerald Lagasse. I think that's her oven, and she's never used it. She said it will stay. Hot Point is the fridge. And I love, I don't know what it is, but she's gotten some kind of stand. Looks like it's very substantial to hold that fridge up. Of course, the fridge will stay. It's a nice size, and it's out of the way. And of course, we always have our, I love this farmhouse sink. It's made by Sinkology. All right, I am standing at the sink now, and I am showing you the GE combo washer dryer. You put your clothes in, wash them, and then it automatically starts drying those. I've had one of those. I've said it many times. I loved it. It will spoil you because you don't have to go put the wash in the dryer. So you get used to that real quick, and I love that. Now they're smaller, so you can't put in probably your big comforter, but plenty of washing capability for a little tiny home. Oh, look at that. She's a Yorkie mama. Okay, so I'm going to stand back here. There is, as you can see, to the left of the washer dryer and to the right of the toilet is a space. Now you could definitely put in something for hanging clothes there, or shelving for that matter. This is a 36-inch shower. Okay, I'm standing at the fridge, right in front of the fridge. This is what you see when you look in. Okay, I'm standing at the fridge, right in front of the fridge. This is what you see when you look in. 10 foot wide by 20 foot long. Just an adorable, lots of charm in this tiny home. Now let's go look at upstairs. She does sleep upstairs. I think that gate is like a dog gate, but it's a little upscaled one, but I like it. Kind of adds a little bit of privacy. So let's go up the stairs. She's got, well, these are nice. And they are skid proof. Again, in the blues and tans. So when I stand back here to show you the steps, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and then that last one is an easy access so you can sit down at the top of the stairs and get into your bed easily. So again, I hold on up here and looks like she's got some storage up here. There are 2 egress windows. That is for safety and a beautiful, wonderful cross breeze when you open those up. The size of the bed up here is a full. It does stay. So this house is not even quite a year old. It'll be a year old in, I think she said July. So she is moving back closer to family. She has some health issues. She's living alone down here, and so she's got to get closer to her family in Pennsylvania. This is her email contact information on the screen where you can contact her if you'd like to make an offer. Also, here is the price. It is going to be on the screen. And please reach out if you're interested in this one. It does get to stay on the lot. Rent is $375, and that includes water. You will pay the electricity. I challenge you to find anywhere less than $375 to put a house. You have neighbors fairly close. And a beautiful, beautiful scenery. She says she sees turkeys. She gets to see deer.